Stuck with student expenses? Here's how you can use ChatGPT to start earning from your hostel or home. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are packed with gigs for copywriting, blog posts, and product descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can create killer content, polish it, and boost your portfolio, even if you're just starting out. Take Ravi Sharma from Jaipur. He started with a second-hand phone and grew his ChatGPT-powered freelancing into a 7-person team and a crore-plus turnover. Second, build an AI-powered Instagram page. Pick a niche, maybe college life, motivation, or productivity. Use ChatGPT for captions and Canva for designs. Monetize with brand deals, affiliate links, or digital products like ebooks and templates. Third, launch a faceless YouTube channel. Let ChatGPT handle your scripts, then use tools like Pictory or InVideo for visuals. High CPM niches like tech or finance can earn you Rs 150, Rs 300 per 1,000 views. Just stay consistent and give it a few months. Fourth, create and sell digital products. Think ebooks, Notion templates, or resume builders. ChatGPT helps you write. Platforms like Gumroad let you sell. Start small, scale up as you grow. Finally, offer ChatGPT-powered services to your college crowd. Resume building, SOPs, assignments. Quick delivery, personalized touch, and word of mouth can get you steady clients and cash. Bottom line, ChatGPT is a tool, not a shortcut. Pick your niche, personalize your work, and stay patient. And if you want to go deep into AI, check out Vidam School of Technology's B.Tech programs. Admissions are open for 2025.